Why I Don't Sleep Around, and the Lies of Feminism. Your statement appears to express a specific perspective on personal choices and feminism. It's important to note that feminism is a diverse and multifaceted movement that encompasses a wide range of beliefs and goals. It promotes gender equality and advocates for the rights and choices of individuals, including the right to make decisions about one's own body and personal life. Choosing not to engage in casual sexual relationships is a personal decision and should be respected. Everyone has the autonomy to make choices that align with their values, beliefs, and comfort levels. It's essential to remember that feminism supports the autonomy and agency of individuals, including their choices regarding their own bodies and sexuality. If you have concerns or criticisms about certain aspects of feminism or believe there are misconceptions, it's important to engage in open and respectful dialogue to better understand the movement and its diverse perspectives. It's also worth noting that there's no single lie of feminism because feminism is not a monolithic ideology. It's a social and political movement with various schools of thought and beliefs. Open and respectful discussions can help clarify misunderstandings and foster a better understanding of the different aspects of feminism and individual choices regarding personal relationships.